children, welcomes to our today's class. Today we are going to study with a very important topic, that is human resources. Do you know who teaches you? Who builds your house? What are they called? They are called human resource. Why they are called human resource? Because they are using their skills and knowledge to make our lives better, right? So in this chapter, we are going to study about the human resources. So our first topic will be human resource. So let's study about it. So you can see that Indian population in this map here, in this map, it shows the density of population, that means a person per square kilometer, right? You can see the map over here. You can see this Uttar Pradesh and some part of West Bengal. You can see that their population density is 1001 and above. So what is human resource? It is a set of individual. What it is? It is a set of individual who makes the workforce of an organization, business sector or economy. Right? India is a large country. Our country has been blessed with many and varied natural resources. And what are these resources? They are the great assets for us. But these resources cannot help our country unless they are properly utilized. This can be only done by people. Only healthy, the person who is healthy, well educated, and hardworking people can contribute to country's progress. So the real source of country is its people. We all are what? The human resource, right? And the real source for our country. India is overpopulated. Everyone knows it. And India is the most populous country in the world. Our country's population is constantly increasing at the rapid rate. You all know that. The ever-growing population of our country possesses many problems. So our production cannot meet demand as consumer are much higher demand. We cannot fulfill the demand of the consumer because the population is overpopulated. Right? One or two children in a family are fed well, educated according to their economic condition of the family. The quality of the people in a country is more important than their number of development and progress. The living condition of the people. The living condition of the people, how we can improve it? By providing enough food, shelter, better education and health condition. And these all are basic needs. If you provide these needs to the people, what the living condition can be improved. So, after independence, we have made tremendous progress in every field, but a lot still remains what to be done. So, we will have to improve the quality of people. Then only we can make proper utilization of human resources. When the quality of our human resources improve, we will able to make what? Better use of our natural resource for the all-round development of the. This was all about the human resource. Hope you understood about the human resource as the people of our country. We all are human resource. I'm teaching you. I am also a human resource. What? And using my skills and knowledge for teaching all the children. Right? Now the chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. Now we will meet in the next class. Thank you.